Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. Trigonometry up to transformations. The most important, very short answer questions. So there are 2 marks questions. Here, first question: find the period of tan 5x. Okay. So here, given function is f of x is equals to tan 5x is the given function. Tan 5x is the given function. So here we have the formula. Period of tan ax plus b or tan ax. Okay, whatever it is, x coefficient. Okay, is 5 by mod a, means x coefficient. We take the x coefficient here. Okay, so whatever the coefficient we have for x, now period of tan 5x is 5 divided by x coefficient is 5, so write the 5. If it is negative or positive, we take only positive value. So finally, what is the answer here? 5 divided by 5. This is the required solution. Okay, so that is nothing but it is a very simple problem. Okay, if you know the formula, okay, so it's nothing. If you know the formula, it's nothing. It's very simple, easy. Okay, 5 divided by mod a is the formula. What is the period of tan ax plus b? 5 by mod a. What is the formula, ma?
5 by mod a.
Yes. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Find the period of f of x is equals to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Okay. So what is given function, ma, here? Given function is f of x is equals to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Okay, now x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 3 here. Okay, so now take the formula, write the formula. Okay, so period of cos of ax plus b. Whenever we have the function like this, then 2 pi by mod a, x coefficient. Here also we take the x coefficient only. Okay, so that is nothing but here also period of the function cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 2 pi divided by mod a, x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? 3 is the x coefficient. Okay, so that is nothing but 2 pi divided by 3. This is the required solution. So here the question is, find the period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x. So in this question, what is given function here? Okay, so given f of x is equals to tan function, it is tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x. Okay, so now this is equals to tan of take x common, then we get 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus and so on plus n square, x is common, we written x outside. Okay, so now this is equals to tan of, okay, 1 I am writing as 1 square, 4 writing as 2 square, 3 is 3, 9 is 3 square. Okay, and so on plus n square writing as is into x. Okay, so sum of squares of the natural numbers. What is the formula, ma? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on, n square is equals to sigma n square. Any idea on the formula? Sum of squares of the natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, this is the formula for finding the sum of squares of the natural numbers. Okay, so I am applying the formula here, tan of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 whole divided by 6. Okay, so the coefficient is x. The coefficient is x. So now period of tan of ax plus b is period of the function. Okay, is the formula pi by mod a. Pi by mod a. Okay, if we apply the same formula here, so pi by mod a is nothing but x coefficient. We take the x coefficient. Okay, therefore period of tan function. Okay, tan of x plus 4x plus and so on plus n square x is equals to pi divided by mod a, x coefficient. What is x coefficient? Just now we written the coefficient for x, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, so in the numerator, okay, so we have the numerator again. So here we take the fraction to numerator, so we get the reverse. Reverse means 6 divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 5. So finally we get it as 6 pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. This is the required final answer. If tan 20 is equals to lambda, then show that tan 160 minus tan 110 divided by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110 is equals to 1 minus lambda square divided by 2 lambda. So what is given in this? Tan 20 is equals to lambda. This is given. So the values tan 160, tan 110, based on possibility, we convert into tan 20. We convert into tan 20. Okay. So tan 160, for example, tan 160. How can we write the tan 160? Can we write it as 180 minus 20? Yes. Okay. So when we have 180 degrees, for tan we write tan only. For tan we write tan only. So that is nothing but tan 20. Okay. So tan 20 and 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means which quadrant? 180 minus theta is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. All silver teacups. Okay. Tan is negative in that quadrant. So we get minus, and tan 20 value. Already we know the value of tan 20, that is lambda. Okay. So we get minus lambda. We get minus lambda. Okay. Next to tan 110. Okay. Tan 110. Tan 110 is equals to tan of 90 plus 20. 90 plus 20. Okay, this is equal to, when we have the 90 degrees, for tan we replace with the cot. For tan we replace with cot. Okay, so we can write it as cot 20. You can write it as cot 20. And check the quadrant here, tan 90 plus 20, it is the second quadrant, tan is negative. Okay, so we get a negative here, minus cot 20. But we have only tan 20 value lambda, so cot 20 we can write it as 1 by tan 20. Cot is 1 by tan. Okay, so that is nothing but minus 1 by lambda it is. Minus 1 by lambda. Now take the LHS here. LHS is equals to tan 160 minus tan 110 whole divided by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110. Okay, we know all the values, substitute all the values. Okay, tan 160 value minus lambda minus tan 110 minus 1 by lambda whole divided by 1 plus tan 160 is minus lambda, tan 110 is minus 1 by lambda. Okay, take LCM. LCM is lambda. Lambda into lambda is lambda square, right? minus lambda square minus minus plus 1 whole divided by here in the denominator we can cancel the lambda and the lambda. Okay, 1 minus into minus is plus, so 1 plus 1 it is 2. 2 are 2 by 1. Okay, we can take to numerator, we can take it to numerator. So minus lambda square plus 1 we can write as 1 minus lambda square divided by lambda, and this divided by 2 we can write it as 1 by 2. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1 it is. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. If we take it to numerator we get reverse reciprocal 1 by 2. Okay, so finally what we get the answer ma 1 minus lambda square divided by 2 lambda, which is equal to RHS, which is equal to RHS, hence 2. We took the LHS and getting the RHS, so this is the required solution. Okay, here what is important ma? Converting this, finding these values. Okay, this is very, very important. If you know this, if you get the idea on this, then the remaining solution is very easy. Remaining solution is prove that tan 50 minus tan 40 is equals to 2 into tan 10. Okay, so here we have to prove this. We have to prove this. Okay, now let I am taking for this solution. Let I am taking tan of 50 minus 40. What is 50 minus 40? It is tan 10.
Tan 10.
It is tan 10. Tan A minus B formula. What is tan A minus B formula? Okay, so just to take the formula here. Tan of A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B, 1 plus tan A into tan B. If we apply the same formula here, tan 50 minus tan 40 whole divided by 1 plus tan 50 into tan 40 is equal to tan 10 degree. Okay, so now tan 50 minus tan 40 divided by 1 plus tan 50 writing as this, and tan 40 we can write it as tan of 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50 is 40 itself. Okay, so tan 10 degrees as it is in the right side. Okay, so the next tan 50 minus tan 40 divided by 1 plus tan 50 writing as it is, and tan 90 minus theta. Okay, when we have 90 degrees for tan we write cot, so cot 50 we write, cot 50 we write, 90 minus theta which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant all are positive, so we get positive only. It's equals to tan 1, tan 10 degrees. Tan into cot, we can cancel the tan and cot. The cot is 1 by tan. Okay, so tan and cot we can cancel, so we get 1 here. We get 1 here. Okay, so that is nothing but tan 50 minus tan 40 divided by 1 plus 1 is equals to tan 10. Here, okay, since the formula tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1, they are reciprocals to each other. Reciprocals to each other. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So tan 50 minus tan 40 divided by 2 is equals to tan 10. So take this 2 to that side. If you take the 2 to that side, here it is dividing. If you take it to that side, multiply. Okay, it's equals to 2 into tan 10. This is the required solution. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Prove that cos 9 plus sin 9 divided by cos 9 minus sin 9 is equals to cot 36. It is one of the most important formula problem. Okay, so taking the LHS here, so that is cos 9 plus sin 9, cos 9 plus sin 9 divided by cos 9 minus sin, cos 9 minus sin 9. I am dividing by cos 9 on both sides. Here, dividing by cos 9 on both the sides. Both the sides is nothing but numerator and, okay, so denominator, numerator and denominator. Dividing by cos 9 on numerator and denominator. Okay, that is nothing but cos 9 divided by cos 9 plus sin 9 divided by cos 9 whole divided by, here also cos 9 divided by cos 9 minus sin 9 divided by cos 9 is equals to what is cos by cos ma, what is sin by cos. Okay, we can cancel the cos and cos, both are in terms of cos, we can cancel this, we can cancel this. Okay, so then we get it as 1 plus sin by cos is tan, sin by cos is tan, so 1 plus tan 9 divided by 1 minus tan 9, 1 minus tan 9. Okay, we have the formula tan 45 plus theta, tan 45 plus theta or tan A plus B formula. Okay, so that is 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta. This is the formula. Or otherwise, you can use another formula, that is tan A by A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, tan A is tan 45, tan 45 is 1. Okay, that's why we get 1 plus tan 9 divided by 1 minus tan 9. Okay, so now this is equals to, okay, if you apply the formula tan of 45 plus theta, what is theta? Theta is 9 degrees, theta is 9 degrees. So tan of 45 plus 9 degrees, it is 54. Is it the required solution? No, we want the answer in terms of cot. We want the answer in terms of cot. Okay, so what we can write this as tan, writing as it is, writing the tan as it is, and 54, tan written as it is 54 degrees. How can we write the 54 degrees? Can we write the 54 degrees as 90 minus 36? 90 minus 36 is 54, tan is as it is. Okay, now we have the concept tan 90 minus theta. When we have 90 degrees for tan, we replace cot and 36, and 90 minus theta first quadrant. First quadrant tan is positive, all are positive in the first quadrant, which is equal to, is it the required solution? Yes, this is the required answer. Hence, okay, so here what is important in this tan 45 plus theta formula? Okay, this is important, and dividing by cos 9, dividing by cos 9 is important. After that, okay, getting this idea, okay, converting, okay, so tan to cot, this is also very important in this. Find the maximum and minimum values of f of x is equal to 3 cos x plus 4 sin. Okay, what is given in this question mark? Given function is f of x is equals to 3 cos x plus 4 sin x, 4 sin x. Okay, and what is the formula? What is the formula? Okay. For example, if I have the function f of x is equals to a cos x plus b sin x plus c, then what is the formula for finding the maximum value? Maximum value is c plus under root of a square plus b square. Okay, what is the formula for finding the minimum value? Minimum value, that is c minus under root of a square plus b square. Okay, the same way. Okay, what is the here a b c values by comparing, here what is the a value? Cos x coefficient a value is 3 and b is 4, and c there is no constant, so constant value is 0. Constant value is 0 here. Okay, now what is maximum value and what is minimum value? Okay, so here the maximum value is equals to c plus under root of a square plus b square. So c value is 0 plus under root of 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, that is under root of 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, and root 25 is 5. And what is the minimum value? What is minimum value? Minimum value is c minus under root of a square plus b square, that is 0 minus under root of 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, that means minus root of 9 plus 16. Okay, this is minus 25, root 25, that means minus 5. This is the maximum value and minimum value. Sometimes you will ask the range. If you ask the range, minimum value comma maximum value, we write in the closed brackets. Write in the closed brackets. Here the important formula, important concept means formula here, c plus root of okay, a square plus b square and c minus root of a square plus b square. Find the range of 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Okay, what is given function in this? What is given function? My f of x is equals to 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5, right? Now, what is the formula here? Range of the function f of x is equals to a cos x plus b sin x plus c is, okay, the formula c minus under root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay, we write in the closed brackets. First one is the minimum value, second one is the maximum value. Okay, by comparing what is a here? X cos x coefficient, the a is equals to 7 and b is equal to minus 24.
Minus 20.
Yes, what is c value?
5.
Yes, good. Okay, so now the required range is equals to, okay, c minus, that is 5 minus root of 7 square and minus 24 whole square. When we square, we get positive. Okay, 5 plus root of a square, a value is 7 here, so 7 square plus b value is minus 24 square. So 5 minus and the root of 7 square is 49, 24 square. What is 24 square, ma?
576.
Very good. Okay, 576 and 5 plus root of 7 square 49, 24 square 576. What is 576 plus 49? 576.
625.
Yes, very good. Okay, so it is under root of 625, 5 plus root of 625. Okay, root 625 is nothing but
25 square.
very good. Okay, it is 25 square. We can write it as 5 minus root of 25 square and 5 plus root of 25 square. Okay, cancel the square and root. So we get 25. So the value is 5 minus 25, 5 plus 25. What is 5 minus 25? That is minus
Minus
20.
20.
5 plus 25, that is 30.
30.
This is the required solution. This is only the required solution. Here important means the formula. C minus root of a plus a square plus b square, c plus root of a square.